Hi everyone, Anna Brandt here, and I wanted to give you an update on our membership site in case you missed the news over the weekend, because Sunday night is the very last chance to get membership for $99 for a lifetime. And we just have to end that promotion because it's a really good deal and we can't keep going on forever. The lifetime membership is $399. You can use the coupon code JOIN and save $300. The site is members.annabrandt.com, and it's replacing our old membership site, annabrandtonline.com. We've had membership sites for 10 years with photographers all over the world, and we've moved many times over the years, but the great news is if you're a lifetime member, you move with us, and you never have to pay another fee again. Well, I've been working for the past few days to just try to transfer all of this information over to members.annabrandt.com, and we're almost there. So I wanted to give you a sneak peek in case you haven't yet signed up, because you only have till Sunday night at midnight Pacific Standard Time. So that is July 14th at midnight California time. You can go to members.annabrandt.com. And if you scroll down, you can see that membership includes members-only live workshops. We did do 8 in 2018, members-only podcast, discounts, discussion forum, etc. I'm going to give you a sneak peek into the members site. We also have another live workshop coming, which is Tuesday, July 30th. All of our live workshops are recorded. So if you can't make them, you don't need to worry about it, especially if you're a member, because you can log in and watch anytime. Now, to join, you just go to members.annabrandt.com. You can click on memberships. Right now, there's only one membership to buy. If you hit lifetime member, that says $399, and scroll down and put in a coupon code and type in the coupon JOIN, you will see that it's reduced to $99, and you never pay a membership fee to our member site ever again. Now, if you are a member, you can just log into your members area and jump in. So I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. I just added 12 new tutorial videos from our other site, and we have more to come. If you go over to our other site and go on tutorial videos, there's quite a few videos in there, and then there's additional ones that I've recorded that haven't even been released yet. All of these are being moved over. So I just moved over additional 12. And if you scroll down, this is just the main page that says the new things that I've been adding. So as I add new things, I'll just kind of highlight it here. And you can see that I added all of this content over the weekend. So let's jump in a little bit. There's a blog where you can see my blog posts, and I'll be adding more. The Wrapping a Bucket has been pretty popular on social lately, so definitely check it out. And then you can, if you have a question, go to customer service. So if you go to downloads, the downloads we just added are for 5 marketing methods you can do right now, my forms, nursing list, and a baby inspiration guide. And more things are coming, and this baby inspiration guide gives you 25 newborn images and how it was created, as well as the sources. If you need some marketing help, you can jump in, download this information right now. I still use forms in my client ordering appointments because I do IPS in-person sales. Those forms are here as well. Nursing lists for my moms that are breastfeeding. I talk about it in my blog here, as well as give you the information that my pediatrician gave to me. If you go to guides, right now the fabric inspiration guide is there. So if you want to work on your fabric tossing, which is super popular right now, and it's been popular. Do you know that fabric tossing, I've been doing it since the beginning. It's been 19 years of tossing fabric. It's not going out of style anytime soon. Live workshops. So these are all of the live workshops that we've added. There's 3, 6, 8 live workshops. You guys, this membership is $99 for life for this particular member's site. This is not our online learning center where we have courses. This is our membership site, and it is different. And so you don't have to pay anything again. So you're getting a lot of information here, and I feel like I'm just trying to constantly communicate and let people know, because once the sale is over, I don't want to get a bunch of emails that say, oh, I had no idea, I had no idea, I had no idea. While we may do sales for the future for lifetime, it'll never be $99 again, just so you know. So the live workshops, you can go in here and you can watch actual live workshops. The family posing workshop, oh my goodness, we were live for hours. There's a couple of videos in here, as well as the editing. We have Lightroom call and the Photoshop video and 2 videos of us being live. So you can just sit back and watch. I did milk bath maternity. You can sit back and watch a live milk bath maternity session done in my studio. Motherhood posing, I loved this workshop. It was just fabulous and beautiful, and mom just did great. Newborn pose transitioning from bowl to beanbag to bucket. This teeny tiny baby was a rock star, and this is a fabulous live. I really enjoyed that one. A pregnancy live workshop, I brought a client in and we did backlighting, we did single light. That was super fun. You can watch that. Pricing and Purpose, Lindsay Walden. We flew her to our studio and we spent quite a lot of time. You can see there's 3 hours of footage in Pricing and Purpose. I also did a twins live video. That was super fun. Another 2-hour video. I mean, these are not 5-minute videos. These are hours and hours and hours and hours. You can see 44 minutes here, 29 minutes. So if you need something to do while you're editing, put it on the iPad or something, you can watch all of these. Then we have a members forum where you can get in here and you can conversate, and it's off Facebook, so it's really fun. Our online courses is separate. I'm going to go back and talk to that. And then we have members only podcasts, and of course my iTunes podcast, reading 10 things you should not be doing as a photographer, as well as 10 tips for success. Download these PDFs and tutorial videos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 tutorial videos where you can see how I'm doing on my editing, and you can see right there these edits. And so it's really great to just help you with some just really basic editing that you need to learn. And we'll be adding more videos. Now, I do want to tell you this, the Anna Brandt Education is a separate site where this is courses. So some people get confused because they say, well, I have a premium membership, but that's to our courses where there's a start and an end. So this is kind of like Creative Live. I was on Creative Live like 5 years ago, and my courses are still on Creative Live. And these are just different courses that, again, have a start and end time. So that is different than our membership site. And we'll be adding more and more and more, because everything here on AnnaBrandtOnline.com is going to be moving over, and we'll be getting rid of this site. We do have vendor discounts. I can't show them to you because that would require me jumping in the form and showing them to you. We'll have tons of vendor discounts from all of our favorite vendors. So just a final reminder, this $99 lifetime special is ending Sunday night. So if you are not a member, this is your call. I'm trying to help you. It's $99 and you don't pay another fee again. Check it out, members.annabrandt.com. Use the code JOIN. People keep asking me for the join button. There's no join button. Click memberships, buy now, and type in the word join. Okay? And you will get it for $99, and then you get instant access. I'll see you online.